name's Samantha. I'm in culinary for Allen High School, and I'm going to show y'all how to make cucumber kebabs. So you're going to need some strawberries, a cucumber, apple, and some grapes. First, you're going to take your, you're going to lay out 2 skewers, and then you're going to rinse about 8 grapes, which is about 1/4 cup of grapes. And then on a cutting board, you're going to take your butter knife, and you're going to begin cutting up cucumber into small pieces, or circular pieces, until you have about 8 slices. Next, you're going to take your strawberries and you're going to cut those up until you have 8 slices again. After that, you're going to take your apples and cut them up into slices until you have about 8. Then you're going to take your skewers and you're going to put on a cucumber, a strawberry, a apple, and a grape. Then you're going to repeat this process till you fill out the whole skewer. Okay. And then you're done.